na kami mamaya papuntang Manila. Excited na ako. Nakapasyal din. Siguro kung mayaman ako, lagi ako nandito sa Balising. Kasi masarap mga shell pag marami kang pera. So ano lang tayo eh, isang kahig, isang tuka, ganyan kaming mga dukha. Si ano, Freddy Aguilar. Medyo masama pang anahon ngayon kay may ano yata, low pressure, lakas ng mga alo. Tayo magtutor habang hintay ng oras sa flight. Naman yung dagat. Oh. Ay. Wow. Ay. Ako na, may mabasa ako. Mababasa ako. Gubat ng daanan. Sobrang ano ngayon, sobrang lamig dito ngayon sa ano, sa Balising. Manila walang ganito. Dito lang to sa Balisig. Pasyada. Sabi naman ni boss pasyal-pasyal kasi para maikot itong Balisig. Parang ano lang ako dito, naglalaro sa sasakyan na to golf car.
Focal and full-free entry. In the unlikely event of a water landing, use your individual life vest found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, seat vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Now pull the tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, check inflation tags in plate vest. Manual inflation tubes are found on both sides. Blow the increased air and push pins inward to release air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a criminal offense. The cabin is pressurized. In the event of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop down from the compartment above you. When this happens, immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each side of the cabin and the exit nearest you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. This aircraft is equipped with a escape path lighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, the lights will illuminate leading you to the exit. Fire extinguishers are strategically located by the bulkhead at the forward and rear section of the aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. Please be advised that this is a no-smoking flight. Civil aviation regulations require strict observance of the lighted passenger information signs, such as the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. We would like to remind all our passengers that voice communication is prohibited while cabin door is closed. Laptops and DVD players should not be used during takeoff and landing. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Window shades up and your tray table stowed. Please also be reminded of wearing your face mask at all times. Thank you.